Hi, I am Nishant. You would be aware that I am doing many cases on medical negligence. Simran Chabra's case, of course, everyone is aware of it. Today, I will introduce to one of my clients who has suffered at the hands of the doctors, and he has not got justice just because the way the law of medical negligence plays in India. So this is a case of a Saudi national who came here for plastic surgery. So basically, he came for the skin tightening of forehead. What the doctor did was that instead of in skin tightening forehead is that they pull the skin from here and then they stitch it somewhere towards the hairline, and so that even in case their scars are left, they are not visible because they come under the hairline. But in this case, what the doctor did was that he, instead of taking the skin out from the hairline from this place, he took it from over the eyebrows. Consequently, the person actually was turned from a handsome looking man into a baboon. Now, the surgery could have gone wrong. It went wrong. But the problem is that the way the medical negligence cases are investigated or inquired into, it is really pathetic. We filed the complaint of the doctor with the medical negligence board, and the medical negligence board, as expected, exonerated the doctor without even taking any evidence from the claimant. And interestingly, the way it plays out in India, especially in Haryana, is that the person is not allowed to plead through a pleader. So understand, he is Saudi national who doesn't understand Hindi. He has a very little and limited knowledge of English, and he has to represent himself on his own through WhatsApp or through video conferencing in front of the medical negligence board. So what do you expect? So he happens to be in India. So I thought it will be great that we listen his audio from his own mouth. So I will just introduce you to my client, and I would want the all the Indians to give him their voice and help him get the justice. Now understand, India, especially Gurgaon, is a hub for medical tourism. Now, under this so-called gambit of medical tourism, how the doctors are minting money by cheating foreign nationals. This issue also comes to the fore from this case. So over to Ali Ibrahim, who is a Saudi national, and I'll tell you one more aspect of this case is that it was a full-fledged surgery which lasted for about 10 hours, and he has to go through this painful surgery on a dental chair. It was a local anesthesia, and he was lying on a dental chair for 10 hours. Understand, if in case we go for a half an hour procedure of RCT with the dentist, we really feel very cramped lying 30 minutes or so on a dental chair. This poor guy was made to lie on a dental chair for 10 hours. And understand, and believe me, a dentist operating is that itself is a big gray area. So over to Ali for his audio. Ali, welcome to India and welcome to my channel. Now, briefly, whatever limited knowledge of English you have, just tell us what ordeal you went through. What was the pain? What was the case all about? When did it go wrong? What did you do? Whatever you know, whatever you want to speak.
Okay. I can speak. I don't understand Mr. Nishan so much, but I won't say one thing. When I go to the doctor, I won't make plastic surgery for I coming good or young or like that. I don't know what I said. Then the problem, you are said now from 2002. This is a problem. I have the when I go the doctor for plastic surgery. Now this is my face. Now the wrong. I have three wrong. This is wrong. The scar until now 3 years no go, and this is problem. Before I don't have like that. Before I'm like that, I can give you one picture. Say what this area before, okay, and this is a problem here and here. Then the doctor tell me, don't worry. When he make the surgery, don't worry. 15 days, everything is good. After 15 days, I return. Doctor, tell me no problem. Don't worry. Maybe 1 month, 2 months, maximum 3 months. Everything, inshallah, coming good. Now, 3 years. I cannot see any people. Okay, only I see my family. I have so much problem. I don't want anything, only want treatment. I only want make again good. I want no anything, no, I want. Only make good. Now the doctor can make again good, okay. That can make good, maybe the doctor, another doctor make. But like that, I go for plastic surgery, then I like that? Why? Why tell me 15 days? It's okay. He before make one surgery here, okay, and one surgery here, and one surgery here. Okay, it's good. Tell me when he make this is, tell me like before. It's good. Everything no problem. Okay, hair good, hair good, hair good, but hair, what's this? What's this? This is plastic surgery. What's this? What I can say more?
Ali, how much money did you spend on this?
Doctor,
Yes.
he take me from me for this surgery 1,000. Okay.
$1,000?
Yeah.
Dollars, USD.
Yeah. This surgery 1,000. Okay. This surgery 1,000. This surgery 1,000. This surgery around 600,000. Yeah, total around $5,600.
Dollars,
Yeah.
US dollars.
Yeah.
Okay. And after you went from India, did you show to any doctor? After going from India, you go to any doctor?
Yeah, so much doctor I go.
Where?
In my country, 1, 2, 3. In Iran, 1, 2. Okay, and in my country, doctor see make laser, make injection. هذا injection PRP بعد hyaluronic acid بعد هذا stem cell name maybe.
Yeah, stem cells. Okay.
Everything I make it. I spend around $15,000, $20,000 until now. Until now, not coming anything. It's good. What I can do. It's big problem for me.
And did you get any relief from Indian courts here? You filed a case here? You have filed a case here? You have filed a case?
Yeah. Case. Yeah.
Is it in your favor? You got some money as damages? Did they?
I don't understand.
Oh, no problem. I'll explain it to you. Did you get any relief from Indian courts? In case, have you got some money?
No.
Okay.
I don't understand, but if you tell me I get some money from, no, I don't understand.
That's okay. That's okay. And there was also a report which came, which I shared with you, the doctor's report, the medical board's report.
I don't understand.
Okay, I'll explain it to you. When we filed the case, it went to a board. There was a report from that board which said, okay,
I don't understand.
no problem. Okay, so guys, it is really so now understand. It is by profession he's an advocate. In Saudi Arabia, he's an advocate. He's a practicing advocate. Now, by conversation, you can understand that it is so very difficult for me to make him understand what I am saying. Now, imagine how difficult it would have been for a doctor to converse. Now, if doctor was not able to communicate what is going to be the outcome of the surgery, why the hell did doctor perform the surgery? Because there has to be an informed consent. So this poor chap doesn't even understand English properly. So how the doctors made him understand that what is going to be the outcome of the surgery, what are the risks? So there is a big issue of informed consent comes. It means they just gave him a piece of paper to sign, and he, out of the trust, just signed it. Now that is being held against him as an informed consent by the medical negligence board. I'll ask a couple of more questions. What was the duration? How long this operation went? How long? How many hours?
Time, 10 hours. I come in the clinic 1.5. Then the doctor, after 10 hours, no taxi, no, and the doctor tell me, I take you in your house or home, okay? Then around 11 like that. Then the doctor send me in WhatsApp, you go in home? I tell him, yes. 10 hours, around 10 hours.
Did the doctor conduct any tests, blood test on you?
No.
Guys, it was 2022. Okay, so we had just come out of corona wave, and the doctors operated on him for 10 hours, more than 10 hours. And if in case I am not wrong, it was the dental chair.
What?
Was it on a bed or on a chair?
No, chair, normal, no. For dental.
No, for hair.
No, normal, chair, normal. For doctor, for tooth, I don't know, I don't speak.
For tooth.
Oh.
Guys, for tooth, it means it was a dental chair. So this gentleman had to go through the ordeal of 10 hours of a surgery on a dental chair, and the doctors just sent him. They did not conduct any blood test. How can a doctor even make an incision in a body without even doing a blood test? And it was considering the length of the surgery. I very strongly believe so that as far as the ethical practices are there, the doctors should have had the emergency protocol also in line. What if surgery could have gone wrong? What if in case blood vessel would have got punctured? There were no arrangements because it was a dental clinic. So guys, this is
one thing, sir.
okay, sure.
Then I want to think something, and through the surgery make was a lot of people in the clinic, doctor training, clients like that. So much people coming, make a picture video for me. Understand me? The room open the door. Everybody coming. What this? This good surgery. We the doctor said, and some doctor training stay in the make video around 5 minutes, 10 minutes. All surgery they have video. They have video, the doctor. Okay, all surgery. No, one surgery lasts 6 surgery. This is make it. Here and here. This is 2 hours. That's right. That's right. But this, no, 10 hours. He make another one before for I don't know for what he make it, but this is 2 hours. That's right. Like, but this surgery 10 hours, 10 hours, and all surgery video, and the doctor have video in the client in the clinic from corridor, the room, all camera have.
All cameras?
Yeah. The camera show when I come, when I go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, guys, so I'll try to re-narrate what he has said, and in fact, I am the one who is fighting his case in District Consumer Commission in Gurgaon, and I was the one who filed his complaint to Medical Negligence Board. And it was my initial cases or my initial brush with the law of medical negligence, that how pathetically we have carved out the law. So what happened was that he came here for some purpose, and then he wanted to have plastic surgery done, which was essentially the face tightening. So he had multiple surgeries done, which all went fine, with God's grace. Not, I guess, not because of the skill of the doctor, because the skill of the doctor is visible from the surgery which went wrong. Now, surgery could have gone wrong, perfectly fine. No doctor can commit. But here, the doctor did commit to him that in 15 days he will recover. So, firstly, how can a doctor commit the outcome of the surgery? That is very, very unethical. So that's one. Second issue is that this was a plastic surgery performed without informing him the risks. Now, the Supreme Court says that Boehm's test has to be followed. Now, we have taken a lot of medical opinion. That's, of course, as you know, that not even a single doctor gives the opinion on in writing. Whenever you are taking an opinion against the Medical Negligence Board's report, they're really scared of the chief civil surgeon, etc. Those government doctors. But what doctors have told me in private was that he should have not taken out the skin from here. He should have taken out the skin from the hairline, and then even in case the scar would have left, the scar would have been not so much visible because of the hairline. So this was the second error which the doctor committed. It first was that he did not inform him about the outcome, or rather, three errors I have so told. First was that he should have not committed that he will get perfectly fine. Okay, the doctor should have not committed the outcome. Second thing is the doctor should have taken an informed consent. So doctor should have ensured that he has understood the risks of the surgery. Now, third, as far as the Boehm's test is concerned, the professional acumen was so low that he should have known that if in case the scars were left, he should have not taken it from the eyebrows. He should have taken it from the hairline. Now, that is the problem of the doctor. Now, coming to the law. Now, as per law, a medical negligence board was formed. This medical negligence board did not allow me to appear. Their SOP says that patient cannot or victim cannot be represented by a pleader. Now, understand, in this case, the victim is a Saudi national. He is not even there in India. When he is not even there in India and he doesn't understand your language, how will he be able to tell what has happened? So what medical negligence board does is that they just take the viewpoint of the doctor. The medical negligence board exonerated the doctor. And this is what it happens in all the cases in medical negligence. And it is so very difficult to get a private opinion once you have had the report of medical negligence board. So that's the problem. Then this gentleman files a case. The case has not even come up for hearing. It's just still at the pleading stage. It's been about more than 2 years that we have filed this case. And he had spent about $20,000 in just rectifying the problem which the doctor has created for him, for which he has charged money. So, guys, this is pathetic form, the way the medical negligence cases are investigated in India. It is a very, I guess it is opportune time that we must raise our voice, because whether it is Simran Chabda or it is Dharmender, another medical death due to medical negligence case I am doing, or Ali Ibrahim, next probably could be you. And understand, for them, at least for say Simran, her brother is there to fight. For Dharmender, his brother is there to fight. For Ali, he has survived this ordeal to fight for his own cause. But what happens if tomorrow there is a person who doesn't have any kith or kin left and he dies because of medical negligence? There will be no one who will fight for him. So that's what the law is. So that's what the purpose of this video was, to make you aware of the pathetic state of affairs in India we have as far as the medical negligence cases are concerned. On one side, we want to call ourselves as the medical tourism hub of the world, but then we must have the law to back our business and the interest of the patients. Thank you. And with this video, I would like to appeal to everyone, including the media, my friends in media, that please bring this issue to the fore and let us wage a war, not against the doctors, but the doctors who are criminals, and let's wage a war against our own government to ensure that there is a proper law in India to fight these cases. Thank you.
I can.
Yeah, you want to add?
Yeah. I have so much problem now. 2 or 3 years, I cannot see any people. If my mom come my house, okay, I put it maquillage then cap. Only see me, my wife and my children, my baby. Mom, if come my house, I cannot see like that. So much problem. Now I don't no have friend, no have any people, no have work, no have anything. This is so much problem for me. Now 2 years, 3 years. Why until now long like that? Anything. I want only treatment. I don't know. That's good. That's right treatment, or only I want this right, this and this right. My life stop. This is problem for me. Thank you.
So what he has said is that his life has become like living hell because of the facial disfigurement. Now, I don't know whether camera is able to capture it nicely or not. Other, you can see that there are eyebrows on eyebrows. It looks really pathetic and very repulsive. Now he is a practicing advocate. He has to appear. He has to meet his client. He has to meet the court staff. He has to face judges. And we all know, as the intrinsic human behavior, that when we see a person who looks more like a baboon, we make fun of him. I mean, that is intrinsic. Whichever culture, whichever nationality you may go, the empathy doesn't exist. All apathy which exists. So people make fun. So he cannot face the public. He cannot do his work. He cannot meet his clients. He cannot even meet his mom. So understand the emotional trauma this gentleman is going through. And this was not a compulsive surgery, it was an elective surgery. If in case the doctors would have told him that these are the risks, very well he would have not even got it done, because the risk outweighs the benefit. So guys, so that is the pathetic state of affairs as far as the law of medical negligence goes in India. And these are the just few cases which I have, and I'm reporting in media through my channel. And then there are various other media channels who report day in and day out about the cases of medical negligence, and all those voices go unheard. Yesterday it was Simran or Ali or Dharmender Singh Sharma. Tomorrow, God knows, it could be you or me. So lend your voice to them. Thank you.